Okay, I'm Jo Young and Grants Officer for AVOW. Expect funding advice, but also expect that I'll be looking at partnerships and how they can work with other people. I'll look at how we as AVOW can best support the organisation and their beneficiaries. So it's about signposting to colleagues, signposting to other organisations to better support that one organisation. One highlight is the amount of money we've been able to raise for Wrexham organisations, third sector organisations. So in this last financial year, we raised £2.4 million, which is just immense. And seeing it in action and seeing the wide variety of funding that's been asked for, from up to sort of £1,000 for a luncheon group to actually over £1 million that's been generated for building a new project, building hubs. So one in Gwersalt and one in Rosset has been immense to see, and we'll see the fruits of that labour in our next financial year when they start being opened up. And so not only that is the money being raised, but actually in the latter half of the financial year, we actually teamed up with Cyfarfod and we had a grant called Prosperous Communities out of shared prosperity money, and that we could actually drill down and actually have grant programs for small organisations that couldn't actually apply for the larger sums of money from shared prosperity directly. So that was huge. And really rewarding, and as I say, putting that programme together with Cyfarfod has been immense, and actually seeing the amount of different organisations apply for the funding, and actually seeing that come to fruition as time has come by is great. So anything from sort of storage containers being used for storage, to a youth club, to an accessible toilet, is just seeing how that space is being utilised, to a mindfulness meadow over in Chirk, to renovating a church in Kaya Park, to storage for a youth club over in Penley. It actually demonstrates the breadth and the width that we have supported organisations within Wrexham Borough. Helping an organisation raise the necessary money to do what they want to do to assist beneficiaries. I'm all about the end user at the end of the day so how can we raise that money to help that person?